Rob and I are gonna go for his first snowmobile ride. You stoked? The last video I made, I had a chest mount for the GoPro, and that was not that great because it was facing at the like the handlebars. So this one I'm gonna use a helmet mount, and hopefully that will be a little bit better.
We're allowed to, right?
Oh yeah. We're allowed. I thought you said we're gonna ride too, and let it warm up for a second. Forward?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, we're close to the ground. Alright, here we go. We're just gonna go around the house once. Put your hands right there. How did that feel?
What?
How was that though?
That's okay.
Alright, so hold on. There you go. You ready? Does that feel better? Do you like it better back there or in the front? Front?
Yeah.
Okay. And then put your hands in the middle. Or, put your hands on this thing, it's warm where my hands are. Hold on where my hands are, you can feel it's warm. All right, our first ride into the snow.
What?
What do you think? Not bad, right?
I guess.
Not too scary?
No.
Pretty good?
Yeah.
Should we take a selfie?
Sure.
Thumbs up. Thank you so much for trying this with me.
You're welcome.
Are you freezing?
Not really.
Ready to ride? What do you think? Your first ride in the books. It's pretty fun, right?
One thing that I do regret is...
You need warmer gloves?
Yeah.
Well, that's why I said we'll just do a short trip to see what it feels like. And
I think it was actually pretty fun.
yeah.
But I wanted to stop because my hands were really cold.
Oh, hey! I thought you guys were downstate. All right, Rob's first snowmobile ride in the books. Your review?
I liked it, but I wish I chose better gloves.
Yeah. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like this video and subscribe.